Handy Hudsonite here. Today we're going to look at a $30 professional audio sounding mic. Yes, you heard me right, $30 on Amazon. I have the link below, so if you want to check it out, we're going to look at what this microphone includes when you buy it. Also, we're going to hear what it sounds like. We'll do a test here as I swap out the mic that I'm currently using, which is a Fifine mic, which is over twice the cost of the MAONO USB condenser mic that we're going to be reviewing today, not to be confused with the name of a Disney movie that you may have seen. So the MAONO mic comes from a company that builds a lot of different sound equipment, and they do offer a lot of different variations of microphones. So if this entry-level one is subpar for you, then be sure to check out their line of mics. I'll also have that link in the description if you want to check that out. So let's get into this mic, which is the PM461TR model of MAONO Cardioid Condenser mics, and it's, like I said, $30 on Amazon. And it's plug and play, so it will work with Mac, PC. They do claim it'll work with PS4. Unfortunately, they say it will not work with Xbox. Let me know in the comments below what your experience is with this, if you pick one up or if you already have this mic. And let me know if it works with PS4. This mic has a USB 2 cable, not USB 3, but it supposedly is still fast, and the experience that I've had with it has been very positive for a USB plug and play. So what do you get with this microphone? Well, I unboxed this product, and you can see that it comes with a few different accessories. Obviously, the USB 2 cable, which is about 6 feet long, which is adequate for most systems. If you're using this a little further away from your PC or whatever you're plugging it into, it could be a little short, but it's okay for my system, the desktop that I'm currently using. You also get a foldable tripod, a windscreen. You also get a 12-month warranty and a manual to go along with it. And the packaging is attractive. What I found a little bit odd about the assembly of this microphone is there's already an adapter so that you could mount this on a boom, which is not included, a boom arm, but you have to take this adapter out so that you can mount it onto the tripod. And once it's on the tripod is roughly, depending on how you have it sitting, it's anywhere from 2 to 4 inches tall, so not really tall, which can make it nice for keeping it out of your line of sight if you have it in front of your screen. Also, you can adjust it 180 degrees back and forth, which is nice. It would be nice if you could swivel it horizontally, which you currently can't. The way this mic records is a cardioid pattern. The mic gain knob is a nice feature on the front of the mic so that you can adjust levels. It would be nice if there was a headphone jack and a headphone volume button so that you can use this and experience no latency with your recordings or podcasts or whatever you might be using it for. But again, this is a $30 entry-level microphone, so they had to cut costs somewhere. Also features high resolution sampling of 192 kilohertz, 24-bit sampling rate, and then the cardioid pattern suppresses background noises, not completely, but it's going to suppress them to some degree, especially when you work with the gain settings and adjust the gain knob. And we're going to listen to it here in just a minute. Another nice aspect is it has the foam windscreen that will cut down on some background noise. But again, this isn't going to be to the extent that you would with a high-end professional microphone. Let me know in the comments below any other questions you have about the mic as far as the components. Let's get into how it sounds. Now, I've been recording this video on my Fifine studio mic, and it's got superb sound, and I'm going to switch over to the MAONO mic and let's see how it compares with the Fifine mic that I've been using. So let me switch that over and I will let you see how it sounds. We'll also play with the mic gain so that you can get a sense of how that adjusts. Okay, I'm now using the MAONO USB mic, and as you can see, I've got the gain level set right in the middle, and they do have a indicator there of when it's in the middle, and when you're turning it, it will just kind of set into that middle spot, which is nice. But if you need it to be lower or higher, depending on how far you want the microphone from your mouth, now right now I have it about 10 inches or so from my mouth, and this is the way it sounds with mid-range gain. Now if I were to turn it down, it's going to get considerably quieter, though the benefit of this is if I were to put it closer to my mouth, like this, it will pick up my voice much better and reduce the background noise, eliminating the need for a lot of post-processing of the audio. Now let me turn up the gain. It's back up to the middle setting. If I were to turn it up, you're going to hear more of the background noise. You might be able to hear my computer running in the background and some of the echo of the room a little more. And this is for if you want the mic further away from you, but the drawback is you're going to get more of the background noise. So I will set the gain back to the middle setting, and this is the quality of the sound that you're going to get. Now, of course, it's going to depend on the setup of your room. You definitely want to have sound dampening in your room and not be in an open room filled with a lot of echoes. That's going to take away from the quality of the microphone. So if you have soundproofing in your office or wherever you use this, it will definitely enhance the experience, and you can do some minor post-processing on this in your favorite audio program to further suppress the noise and make it sound even better. So that's the overview of the MAONO USB condenser mic. Please let me know again in the comments below what you think of it, any questions you have. Be sure to subscribe to my channel here for more reviews, tips like this. Give this video a like so that YouTube will share it out, and I will see you in the next video.